In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open Discord in browser. Whether you're on a school computer, a work laptop, or you just prefer keeping things in a tab. This is a quick, secure way to get into Discord without installing anything. Start by opening your web browser. Any modern browser works: Chrome, Firefox, Microsoft Edge, Safari, or whatever you normally use. If you already have a few tabs open, that's totally fine. You don't need a fresh window. Just make sure you're looking at the address bar, the long field at the very top of the window where website addresses go. In that address bar, type https://discord.com/login and press Enter. This takes you straight to Discord's login page. You should see the familiar Discord branding and a sign-in form. Going directly to the login address saves a click and avoids any distractions on the home page. If the page takes a moment to load, that's normal. Give it a second and you'll land right on the sign-in screen. You can also get there by visiting https://discord.com and clicking the login button if you see it. Depending on your region or the time of day, the home page might showcase features or news first, but the login option is usually in the upper right. On the login page, enter the email address or phone number linked to your Discord account and your password exactly as you normally would. Keep those details private and make sure you're typing them into the official discord.com page. If you prefer not to type, you can use the QR code login instead. Open the Discord app on your phone, use the in-app scanner to scan the code on your computer screen, and then approve the sign-in on your device. It's the same account, just a faster way to authenticate through your mobile app when you're already signed in there. Once you're logged in, you're using Discord right inside your browser, just like the desktop app. Your servers appear along the left, channels and conversations are in the center, and the message box is at the bottom. You can read and send texts, browse channels, react with emojis, and join servers from invite links, all without leaving the tab. If you switch to another tab, Discord keeps running in the background, and when you come back, your chats will be right where you left them. That's all there is to it. Opening Discord in your browser is quick, simple, and works on virtually any device.